Attention, everyone. If you like Sesame Street, there is a 1985 movie called Sesame Street Presents, Follow the Bird. It's a family classic for the fans of Sesame Street. This is a perfect film for youngsters at heart and the old people who grew up with Sesame Street. Here's a fun cover of Sesame Street Presents for the Bird. Here's a spine on there, and then here's the backside. Here's a disc in there. Let's open it up and see. This is a disc in there. This is a DVD that was released in 2002. That's the first edition. Here's the scene that's in there inside of it, featuring Big Bird and the airplane in there. This is actually good family classic for the fans of Sesame Street. Youngsters and preschoolers will enjoy this movie very much. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.